I feel like we're invading this person's personal space.
Who cares?
They're sacred. Oh, another one. Oh, wow.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. And if you can't tell, I'm already dressed up. It's currently 6 in the morning. I got up at 5. I'm on my way to see Tiffany, the bestie. She no longer lives in Texas, so I thought I would take you guys with me on a little adventure. We're gonna take the train to see her today. So 1, 2, 3, 4 little bag. That doesn't count. 3 bags for a weekend. So this is a much needed vacation. A little stressful, not gonna lie, but a much needed vacation. So let's go. I gotta take all these bags outside. I'm getting dropped off at Sunset Station, and let's see what this adventure has for us. So I actually had a 5-hour layover in Dallas-Fort Worth, which was incredibly boring, and this robot kept staring at me, but anyways. So Tiffany picked me up at the train station and actually took me to see this fake-ass river walk, which we laughed at. But after that, we went to bed. The next morning, we got up pretty early and explored the Asian market before going to an interactive museum called Mixtape. It was so cool, you guys. That's the portal the Teletubbies come in. I feel like we're invading this person's personal space.
Who cares?
They're sacred. Oh, another one. Oh, wow.
Okay.
That's pretty. Does it turn off every time I close it, though? No. This is all their silver jewelry, because they can't put the silver and the golds together.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Safety pins, we saw those earlier. Found the carousel. We found the cactus. The underwater cactus here with spinkies. And then the same thing, it's the tea again.
You That R.
So
Future?
the future.
It's not like just one pad to go.
All right, Logan, get in the trash can.
What, where I belong?
Where she found you? Silly. In our little rocket ship. What does this do? Oh, wow. Am I supposed to press it?
Press it when it edges up.
Oh, I think I lost. Damn. I never told you guys, but this is actually how I want my apartment. Not like this, but like with little hidey holes.
I didn't even notice it because it doesn't blend in. I guess that's the whole point.
Well, if you go down the slide,
Have to, no. Find where it is. These are so cute. Look at them.
in the world, we love it.
That doesn't shock me at all.
They actually sell little mixtapes from local artists, so that is so cool. During this trip, we also went antique shopping, and yes, I do feel bad for not getting that top hat. Peacock feathers. After that, we basically drove back to San Antonio just because Tiffany said so, and I listened, so that's what we did. Alright, so what I realized is I actually didn't do an outro to the video, so yes, this is a couple months later. It seems to be a habit that I do that, but it is what it is. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time.